To handkerchief, in that list you contact the vendor, or if you people, you don't need to owe somebody when you're getting married. So what you can do, whatever amount you have, write it down and plan with that.
Your one stop shouldn't be your last, so make sure you subscribe, like, share.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosemary. If this is your first time of stopping by, you are absolutely welcome. And to my returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. Guys, today we have a topic: getting married on a budget. If this is something you like to listen to, please keep on watching. So guys, when I was getting married, I planned my wedding myself. I didn't use any event planner. I didn't use anything. Myself, my sister, my family, and my friends, we just planned the wedding by ourselves. So the first thing I did that will help you plan your wedding on a budget was to create a list. Guys, if you want a comprehensive list, just let me know. I'm going to bring it your way. Create a list of everything. Guys, to handkerchief, in that list you will have miscellaneous in that list. Guys, write everything in that. Everything that does not make sense, that makes sense, everything, write it in that list. Write everything in that list. And as you're writing them in that list, you and your husband sit down and you put a price tag to it. Price range, not tag. Put a price range to it. That will help you when you're pricing. That will help you when you want to contact a vendor to know what the vendor is about to say about a particular thing, so you know the kind of vendor you're going to contact. So the next thing you're going to do is start contacting your vendors. Guys, if you know someone that got married prior to before you got married and you went for the wedding and you liked the services of the vendor that you met in the wedding, when you're getting married, you have to also put your hands out observing things. You like the services, you can contact that person to help you contact the vendor. Or if you don't have anybody, you can source for vendors on Instagram, guys. But you have to be careful. I did not send you there, because for me, I sourced that. Let me just put that disclaimer: I did not send you there. But if you're a vendor watching this, please try and put your location on your hashtags. You make use of hashtags and put your location on your hashtag, because I sourced for my makeup artist and my hair vendor. Is it hair vendor or hairstylist via Instagram? That's how I found them, via Instagram. I just put where I was going to get married, and voila, they came out. Let me go back to having a comprehensive list and give an example. Now, when I was getting married, for example, I contacted my makeup artist. The first person I contacted told me 80,000 naira. And guys, I did not have 80,000 naira to pay for makeup. So I contacted the second person. She said, I think 60,000, so I priced her down to 45,000, and she agreed. I'll put my face on the screen. You will see that was pretty. She agreed. So I'm talking to people like 45,000. She agreed. So that's for that. So let's move on. What we're going to do is plan to get married on the same day. Yes, getting married on the same day cannot be overemphasized. It's going to save you stress. It's going to save you time. It's going to save you energy. Just plan to get married on the same day. Is that you do your white wedding first, or you do your traditional wedding second, or whatever you're doing. Just you can plan to get married on the same day. Just do it on the same day. It's going to save you a lot of stress and time. Tip for getting married on the same day: if you're getting married on the same day, you need to wake up early as the woman. Don't sleep too much. Around 4 o'clock, make up, so that makeup artists can start beating your face, because you know that professional makeup for wedding actually do take time. If you don't know now, the next thing I'm going to tell you that you can do to get married on a budget is try and reduce crowd. Guys, you see this reducing of crowd then? I know, our African parents, they know everybody in church, they know everybody in the area, they know everybody everywhere. Beg them. Guys, beg them. Plead with them. Please try and reduce crowd as much as possible, because if you want to get married on a budget, imagine you have planned for, like, for example, 200 persons for your wedding, and because your parents know everybody are going to 1,000, do you know how much to feed them in this economy that we are in? You don't want to try that, please. So please try as much as possible to reduce crowd. Under reducing crowd, a tip that will help you is that don't sell ashwebi. I know ashwebi is very tempting. It's tempting. You can make money from it. How much can you make from selling ashwebi? Basically, because this time, the stress that ashwebi even comes with, it is a lot. Don't come for me in this video. Please. It is a lot of strength. It's a lot of time that selling ashwebi comes with. So if you can do without selling ashwebi, please try and do without. Bonus points why I say don't sell ashwebi if you want to get married on a budget. People go owe you. They go owe you time. I'm telling you, they will owe you. You see that owing, you see that time, you see that strength and everything. You want to avoid it. Please, I beg you in God's name. It was I just told my friends I was not selling ashwebi that had color of the day, and they went to outsource material from themselves and they just sold it within themselves, and that was how they did. And I did not use little bride, all those things. Although it's more children I used to arrange in front, I did not do that. I think people don't really basically don't even do that again these days though. So what I just did was my younger sister and my cousin, they were my chief bridesmaid, bridal tray. I did not also do bridal tray, yeah. So I also had 2 people, and that was my sister and my wedding. My sister and my cousin, basically my 2 sisters. My book. Basically my 2 sisters, they were the one that I used. So they were just at my back. Any of them could help me with my veil or anything. I think I would just try and put a video somewhere. Any of them could help me with anything. So that was just what I did. And another thing that you can do to help you reduce crowd is using access card. Guys, see this access card there? You were thinking a big man and they use them. No big man, you feel use them. Use access card, guys. Access card is going to save you a lot of things. You see people that you do not invite to the wedding. If you understand Yoruba, that means I hear a branch. When they come, they will send them out. They will never enter. So even is it theft free? They call that thing in English. Is it thief to hen? Who that steal? Will be reduced. I did not have any case of, oh, my phone, my purse was missing, oh, my this was that. Everybody was just free, sit down, chit chat, dine and wine with me. That was what I was going for. A small perfect wedding that I would not have any regret that someone will say, oh, I came for your wedding, something gone missing, this gone missing. I didn't want that, and that was what that was what I got. So use access card. You can just do it like admit one only. That's what I did. And the price range for this access card will be ranging from like 10 to 15,000 naira, which is not expensive if I would say, for the number of crowd you want to invite. Give husband one, give wife one. That's how you count it. So if you have a large family like I do, I already knew that my family members already were taking about 50 access card. I already just knew that, but there were plenty. That were more than 50 safe. The ones that came took more than 50 safe. Were plenty. So basically, I wanted my wedding to just be very intimate. Family members, friends, loved ones. I didn't want too many crowd, and that's what I just got. So use access card. And in the access card, let me just put as a bonus point, don't let adults come for the wedding. Let children not come. Don't come for me, please. Let adults come. Let it be adults only. Children will stay. Some people, like for example, your family member that cannot keep their children at home, that they need to come with their children, they'll still come with their children, but there will be less. You won't have a child running up and down during the wedding. So that's another bonus point you're going to do to get married on a budget is not posting on time on social media. This one, I know it is hard. It is very exciting when you're finally getting married after all the breakfast you have eaten, and I'm telling you that you should not post on. Don't tell me that nonsense, please. I'm telling you, don't post on social media on time. It's going to help you reduce crowd. It will look like something that it's not necessary, but it's going to really help you reduce crowd. Imagine that you post on social media when you're engaged, you have posted it the next day or even that same day you got engaged, and normally people snap a wedding picture like maybe 1 month, some people 1 month, some people 2 weeks to their wedding. You've posted it on social media, guys. You're calling, except you don't want to pick your call. You're calling for people that you have known you, that have loved you. I would have loved to attend your wedding. You're calling all of them to come. Whistle is blowing, so please don't post on social media very early. Like for me, I didn't post my pre-wedding picture until the day I was getting married. So when people were telling me congrats and the rest of it, I was not even seeing any of it because I was getting married that day. And so after the wedding, I started rendering apology to who I needed to render apology to, and that was just it. So please, if you're getting married, these few tips I'm giving you will be very, very helpful, so that you will not be like the Instagram man that I saw. I'll put that thing on the screen, where the man, they got married and they could not even have rest because it was like they are owing people. You don't need to owe somebody when you're getting married. So what you can do, whatever amount you have, write it down and plan with that thing. This tip, guys, it is very important. This last tip, whatever amount you have, write that amount down, plan with that amount. Let me tell you the truth there. Mr. Chinwo that got married, if they ask you, close your eye and tell us all the clothes, all the color of cake and the color of hall, you will not remember. It has passed. No best wedding, no award for best wedding. Just do something that you know that you're comfortable with and you're happy with. There is no award for best wedding. After that wedding day, There's marriage to live for. You need to be happy in your marriage. So there's no award for best wedding. Let me give you as a bonus tip so people understand. I know you want to impress, you want to do social media wedding. You may even do the and tag Bella Ninja. They will not even repost a picture. So my sister, my brother, you don't need to break the bank when you're getting married. Get married on a budget. Whatever amount you have, 500,000, get married with it. 1 million naira, get married with it. Whatever amount you have, please get married with whatever amount you have. It is extremely very important. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a thumbs up. I beg you in God's name, subscribe to my channel. Let's get this channel to 500 subscribers. It will mean the world to me. Like, share if you can, comment down below, let us interact. I'm surely going to respond to all the comments, and I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.